Alright, so in this problem, we want to find the antiderivative of f of x subject to the initial condition. For this, we can use these rules. So here, we know that capital F is gonna be, using these two rules, this equals 6 times the antiderivative of x cubed plus 4 times the antiderivative of x. And now we can use the first rule, so it's gonna be 6 times x to the 4th over 4 plus 4 times x squared over 2 plus c. Okay. These are all the antiderivative functions, but we need the one that satisfies this condition. So now we can substitute -1 to capital F, and we write 2 to x, so it's gonna be 6 times 2 to the 4th over 4 plus 4 times 2 squared over 2 plus c, which is gonna be 6 times 4 plus 4 times 2 plus c. So this is gonna be 32 plus c. And from these parts, it's clear that c is gonna be -33. And now we can finally determine the capital F function we were looking for, which is gonna be, based on this, 6 times x to the 4th over 4 plus 4 times x squared over 2 minus 33. Okay. Here we have a function in this form, but in the rule we have that form, so we have to rewrite it using the negative power, so it's gonna be x to the -2/5. And now we can use the function, so capital F of x is gonna be the antiderivative of x to the -2/5. And with the first rule, we know that it's gonna be x to the 3/5 over 3/5 plus c. Okay, now we use the condition and we substitute, so 0 is gonna be, we write 1 to x, so this is gonna be 1 over 3/5, so this equals 5 over 3 plus c. From this, it's clear that c is gonna be -5 over 3. So from this, we know that capital F of x is gonna be, based on this form, 5 over 3 times x to the 3/5 minus 5 over 3. Okay. In the last case, we have to use this rule. So it means that capital F of x is gonna be -2 times the antiderivative of cosine of x, which based on the rule is gonna be -2 times the sine of x plus c. Now we use the condition, so we know that 2 is gonna be -2 times the sine of 0 plus c. The sine of 0 is 0, so from this it is clear that c equals 2, so we know now that capital f of x is gonna be, based on this, -2 times the sine of x plus 2